Good morning, Orangeville, California. It's now raining. It's Tuesday, Monday, okay, at around 9:45 a.m. over here. So as you see, okay, it started raining again. Okay, all right. So we are here. I'm here at the patio outside. Okay, this is where our stray cats. Okay. There are around 6 or 7 of them, okay, who used to come over here every day, morning and at late afternoon. Okay, we feed them, okay, and sometimes they used to stay over here. Okay, all right. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tatay Philip. Okay, see ya.